All right, we're going to show you how to make your own vanilla extract at home with only 2 ingredients. And it's even yummier than store-bought one. So what you're going to need is vanilla that you can buy anywhere. I actually bought these off of Amazon. It's a really good price and they do really well. And then you'll need 80 proof vodka. It can be any brand. I just bought this one because it was made in Georgia and I'm in Georgia. All right, so what you want to do first is grab a bottle with a cap like this. Could be anything. I actually just bought these off of, I think, the dollar store. And what you're going to do is you're going to take, for this size, you want to put 4 of them in there. And make sure to split it right down the middle. And then kind of open it so that the vodka can get into it, but don't lose anything. And then just stick it in there. So why I say you have to split it is, look at this. Which one's darker? This one, right? And even though this was made 2 months later, it's because I forgot to split these open. And so it's not getting all the good stuff that's inside. So I've already split these open. I'm gonna stick them in here. And what you're gonna do now is you're literally just gonna go ahead, stick your 80 proof vodka in here. And what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that you cover the vanilla beans completely, but have enough room for some air to shake it, because you want to shake this every week for, well, some people say 6 to 8 weeks. I mean 6 to 8 months actually, but I've used this, not a problem, and it's fine. Look, so I put too much in here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour it off. Okay, all right, there we go. And then, or I could have drank it, but it's really strong. So then you're gonna just shake it like this every week, and voila, there's your vanilla extract.